Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen that we have drawn the doors and windows for this 25 into 58 feet building. Okay, so in this video we will be adding the components. Okay, so we will be adding the components in this one. Okay, so as per our requirement given in the plan, let me show you the plan. So let me show you the plan here. So here you can see this is in this way the plan is there. So we will be giving the components as per our requirement, as per the given. Okay, so for that let us start from here. Since it is portico, that means it is a balcony, so we will not be providing any component in here. Okay, so here we will be providing, first let us start with the drawing hall here and bedroom. Okay, so for that let us go here and let us add the components here. So since here you can see, so this is a hall, so we will be adding the components of the hall. That means we will be adding the sofa sets. Okay, so for that click on this component here, click on place a component here. Okay, so after placing a component we have to duplicate the entrance type, that means we have to duplicate the component name, and next we have to load the families. Okay, so for that go to edit type here and go to duplicate. In duplicate we have to go, so I am giving it as sofa. Click on OK. So the duplicate name has been given as sofa. Okay, so for that let me load the components here. So let us go here in the furniture system. So here we will be containing different things, but we want furnitures, we want only for all types. So for that we will be going for here in seating, and we will be selecting the whichever one you want. So here you can see, so here you can see the sofa set has been given. Okay, so let us give this sofa set. Okay, so for that click on this open option here. Okay, and let us use this one. So let it be loaded. Next click on this open option here. So here you can see the sofa has been given. Here you can select the level. So here I am selecting it as floor level. Okay, click on apply here. So we will be placing this as the floor level only. So use the space button. Okay, so before that let us see how the sofas are being there. So here you can see sofas are there here and here. So for that and also here there is no TV, etc. So for that let us go here and view. So they are present at the corners only. So let me give it here. So I am giving here. So in the same way, so here also I have given. So here you can see the two sofa sets has been given. Okay, so if you want here you can also give. So let me select this. Okay, I am moving it towards that side. Okay, and let me select it. So here you can see. Okay, so the sofa sets have been given. Here we have to add the table. So for that purpose let us go here in component, click on place a component. The same goes here, click on edit type, and next let us rename it and duplicate it as table. Okay, so click on OK here, and next click on load here. So here we have to provide the tables. Okay, so for that let me go here in furniture. Here the tables option will be containing, so select the table whichever you want. Okay, so I am selecting this table. Click on this one. Okay, let it be loaded. Next click on this OK option here. So here we have to add that one. So here you can see, so let me add it. So I am adding it in this way. Okay, so here you can see the table has also been added. If you want, you can decrease the size of this one. So for that, click on this edit type, and here you can see the length and the width. Okay, so that means this length and this width is 4 into 3. Okay, so click on this cancel option here. So here for the living room, the components have been given. Here we have to give the components for the bedroom also. Okay, so for that, in the same way, go to here component, go to here edit type, and go to here duplicate and rename it as bed. So that for bedrooms we will be selecting the bed and we will be placing it. So for that, go here in furniture, select beds. Okay, select beds, let it be loaded. So here you can see we can select different types of beds. So I am selecting this bed box, click on open option here. Okay, let it be open. So click on open option and click on this OK option here. So here you can see we can place the bed. So in the plan you can see the bed has been placed in this way. Okay, so for that, let us place this in the same way only. So here you can see the bed has been placed. Okay, so the bed has been placed. That means for the bedrooms the purpose is over. So next we have to add the toilet. Okay, so for that, let us see here whether it contain any toilets or not in the plan. So here you can see 1, 2 and 3. 3 number of toilets have been there. Okay, so and here also a sink is also there. So before that, let us add the toilets here. Toilet options, let us add the toilet options here. You can go for this component option here, click on this edit type. Okay, and after clicking on this edit type, we have to duplicate it and rename it as toilet. That means we will be adding the toilets. So click on OK option here. Next click on load here. So here what we have to do is we have to load the toilet components. Okay, so for that, we can go here and select the toilet components. Okay, so for that, let me see what are the components which will be presented here. So here you can see we will be containing different types of one. So if you want, I can again do this. So here we have to go for this plumbing option here. Okay, here plumbing, that means the water related all will be there. Click on architectural. So next click on this pictures. After clicking on the pictures, we will be containing different types, but we want only the urinals. So for that, click on this urinal. So here you can see different types of urinals will be present. If you don't want, you can also use for this water closets. So here you can see we will be containing different types of one. So here I am selecting this kind of toilet. Next click on this open option here, so that we will be adding the toilet here. Okay, so for that, let us click on this it has been loaded. Click on this OK option here. Okay, so let us add this one. Okay, so here you can see, so it has been added in this way. Since it has been given in this plan, so we will be giving it in the same direction as it has been given in the plan. Okay, so for that I am giving here. So giving here. Okay, so it has been given. Okay, that means for toilets it has been given, for bedroom, for hall, etc. all of it has been given. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to add the other components also, and here we have to add the staircase, but we will be seeing the staircase in the next video. In this video we will be adding only the components. Okay, so for that, here you can see, so the toilet components has been added. So here the kitchen platform, so that means the kitchen components and the these components we should be adding for the bedroom. Okay, so for that purpose let us see here. So here you can see we have provided the toilets for this one. Okay, so here we have to provide the bed. So here we have to provide the bed in this way. Okay, so for that let us provide the bed here, and next we will be adding the kitchen platform here. Okay, kitchen platform, this is a fridge, etc. Okay, so for that let us go here and see. Okay, so let us add the bed here. For that, click on this component option here. After clicking on the component option, click on this one, and we have to take the bed. Okay, so for that, clicking on this bed box here, you can see the bed box. Okay, so the bed box has been given. Okay, so here we have to give the bed box. Okay, so click on escape option here. So here you can see the bed has been given. But before that, let us see that these toilets are given at the ground level or not, because all the toilets will be drained through the ground level only. Okay, so for that I am selecting all of this one. Here you can see by double clicking on it we can do that one. Okay, so let me click on this and let us give it as a ground level only. Click on ground level, click on apply here. Okay, it has been given. So in the same way we have to do this one also. Ground level, give apply, it has been given. Okay, so next click on this toilet, click on this floor level, give the ground level, click on apply option here. So it has been given. Okay, okay, so the toilets have been given, and also the bed is also have been given. So our next step is that we have to add the kitchen components. Okay, so for that let us go here in architecture. Click on this component option here and click on this edit tab, and let us duplicate and rename it as kitchen. Okay, so kitchen, click on OK. So kitchen has been given. We have to load the kitchen component. For that, load here, and next here we have to go for the specialty equipment where we will be containing different types. Okay, so for that, here you can see different types of kitchen platforms are there. So I am selecting this kitchenette of medium one. Okay, so that click on this open option here. Okay, let it be open. Okay, next click on this OK option here. So here you can see the kitchenette has been given. Okay, so that means here we have to give the kitchenette. Okay, so for that let me go here and give the kitchenette. Okay, so here you can see the kitchenette has been given. If you want, you can add the different components here also. Okay, so let me go here and edit type, and let me give this length. So I am giving it as 6 feet 5 inches. Okay, or else let us give it as a 6 feet 4 inches. Sir. Okay, click on open option here. So here we have to give. So here you can see the kitchenette has been given. Okay, so for the kitchenette has been given. Okay, so next if you want, you can add the another component here also. So for that, go here in component, go here in edit type, and we can duplicate and rename it it as let me give this oven or let us give it as dryer. That means dish dryer. Click on OK option here, click on load option here. So here will be containing different types. Okay, so in this we can select whichever one. So I am going here this. So dishwasher will be there, refrigerator, range, microwave oven, dryer. So here you can see the dryer. Okay, so click on this open option here, let it be loaded. So next click on this OK option here. So here we are going to add that one. So here I am going to give here, since it is in the plan. Okay, so here it has been given. Okay, so here it is considered as a puja room, but in puja room it doesn't have any component, so we are going to skip that part. Okay, so in this way the components has been will be drawn. Okay, if you want, let me view this in 3D view. So let it be loaded. So here you can see the components have been given. Here the components have been given. Okay, okay, so the components are also have been given. Here you can clearly see the components how it has been given. Okay, you can go in this view and you can view this. So here you can see the beds has been given. Here also the bed has been given. Here the toilets will also be given. Okay, okay, so in this way the components will be added to the to this plan. In the next video we will be adding the dining table and the sink and the staircase etc. in the next video. Okay, thank you.